Good morning. We woke up really early because Keika has to catch a bus to go back to Hanoi because she is flying out tonight. And I still want to see something else from the north because my mom is coming in 2 days and I don't think she wants to stay for a very long time in this cold weather because she is on vacation. So let's get something to eat and start our day and go to Hagiang, another beautiful place in the north. It's really foggy here in the morning. It's quite pretty actually. Puppy! Hey puppy! Hello! That was a little bit of stress because it was really busy on the road, but we made it. Keika is standing in line, there she is, and we are going to continue. It's very foggy, so there's not much to see here anyway, so we might as well bike further, right?
Just another Friday in paradise. So bring your A game, 'cause you know this party won't stop. We can never run out of time sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you, share it with you.
The first part I drove was the same as yesterday, and this is now where the new road starts to Hagiang. And what I notice is the amount of difference in colors of green. Everywhere on the road I see so many different colors of green and it is so pretty. So today on the road to Hagiang we're gonna pay attention to how many different colors of green there are. Oops, that was not according to plan. Do you guys like the color of green? Green is my favorite color, and I think that comes from I really liked the Green Power Ranger when I was young. But I did some research on the internet because you can be in the middle of nowhere here, but the internet is still very good. And I'm gonna read what the color green is about because you have to believe everything that is written on the internet these days. Green is the color of life, renewal, nature and energy. Is associated with meanings of growth, harmony, freshness, safety, fertility and environment. The color green has healing power and is understood to be the most restful and relaxing color for the human eye to view. So today enjoy the shades of green in our journey today. It's kind of becoming the story of my life, this. Me at the motorbike shop. Well, they're gonna take the whole engine apart again and do that compression thing. They're actually putting a new one in. I actually suspect that the previous garage put a used one in and now there's something Now it broke again. How well. The kids here think I'm very interesting. They're already standing like 5 minutes in front of me staring at me. Hello guys. What really surprises me is that they don't just wait for the things to cool down, they immediately start to work. They just use like a towel or something so they don't burn their hands all the time. That's really, yeah. Children really like cameras here. It's already fixed. That was faster as expected, and to be really honest, I have debated not going to Hagyeong anymore because there are really a lot of crappy roads here. But since it's fixed quick anyway, I might as well keep going. We're having a photo session with the kids. And last but not least, they want me to smoke the peace pipe, or well, that is my name. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I've seen people doing it and it looks really interesting. Just like this. No?
Nói thì mình làm sạch mà.
Okay? Okay, that was more than enough for me. It's really cool. It's just a park in the middle of crazy busy town here. After seeing today's environment, do you guys agree that there are so many shades of gray? Why am I saying shades of gray? I mean shades of green. Yeah. So anyway, green is my favorite color. Maybe let me know what your favorite color is and maybe I can pay a little bit more attention to that. Alright, I will see you guys next time.